In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Smartsheet from start to finish. Smartsheet is a powerful tool for managing tasks, projects, and more. And today, we're diving into how you can set one up to suit your specific needs. Whether you're starting from scratch or using a template, creating a new sheet in Smartsheet is your first step. Once you're in, you'll find yourself in a workspace full of rows and columns, ready to organize your data in a way that makes sense for you. The next step is setting up your columns. Think about what kind of data you need to track. Are you managing tasks, names, or amounts? Use text or number columns for those. If your projects have timelines, date columns will keep you on track. For tasks that need a structured input, drop-down or contact columns come in handy, adding precision and eliminating guesswork. And don't overlook the power of formula-based columns for quick calculations or status updates across your sheet. Once your columns are set, it's time to add and organize your rows. Rows are the foundation for tasks, items, or records. You can also create hierarchy by grouping child rows under parent tasks. This hierarchy is crucial for breaking down large projects into manageable parts, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Smartsheet offers more than just flat grids for visualization. You can switch to a Gantt view to map out your project timelines visually. For those who work better with calendar layouts, the calendar view allows you to see all your dates in one place. If you're managing tasks, the card view, also known as Kanban view, offers a flexible visual workflow that lets you drag and drop tasks as they progress. Automation in Smartsheet is optional but incredibly powerful. With just a few clicks, you can set up workflows to automatically send alerts, request approvals, or move rows based on certain triggers, all without touching a line of code. This not only saves you time, but ensures processes run smoothly. To make your data truly actionable, you'll want to create reports and dashboards. Reports are fantastic for compiling data across multiple sheets and give you a bird's-eye view of everything you're tracking. Dashboards let you design a visual control center where you can use widgets like charts, metrics, and embedded reports to bring your data to life. Finally, collaboration is at the heart of Smartsheet. Invite your teammates or stakeholders to your sheet and make sure you assign the right permissions. You can choose from viewer, editor, or admin roles to control what each person can do or see, ensuring everyone has just what they need to contribute effectively. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to building your Smartsheet. By following these steps, you can create a Smartsheet tailored to any of your project management needs, enhancing productivity and collaboration effortlessly.